In this proClip for Helios AIR1, we will show you how to install an internal warm water post-heating element. Please note the safety instructions in the relevant installation and operating instructions manual. Before starting installation work, check the scope of delivery for completeness. Start by removing the outer panel on the supply air side where the water connection is located. Remove both of the cover plates on the front and back of the panel and remove the insulating material. Insert the heating element into the unit. Ensure that the arrow on the heating element faces the supply air side. Then attach the temperature sensor to the water return. The next step is to secure the temperature sensor cable with the provided plastic holders in the unit. Ensure that the cable is not under tension. Connect the temperature sensor connector to the prepared socket. The vent valves must be removed before reinstalling the panel. Then reattach the panel to the unit. The next step is to attach the two-part cover plates on the front of the panel at the intersections for the flow and return lines. This is followed by the installation of the vent valves. This completes the installation of the heating element. Only the flow and return pipes remain to be installed. The heating element is activated in the Commissioning Assistant. To do this, click on one of these two preview videos. More information on Helios AIR1 can be found on our YouTube channel and HeliosAIR1.com.